Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to stop your iPhone from being tracked with specific applications or maybe all of them. So there's a few ways we're going to go through today. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. And now let's get started. So first of all, you're going to go to your settings and you're going to scroll down until you see privacy and security. And now when you are here, you can see the location services are on and you can actually um, you may turn that off, but some of the applications will not work. So maybe you can turn off for just some of those. For example, for a camera, maybe you don't want the camera to track your location, so you can change that. And now, while you're here, go to your tracking right here. And as you can see, there's allow apps to request to track your activity across the companies, apps, and websites. So when this is turned off, all new app tracking requests are automatically denied. So apps that have asked for permission to track your activity are here, and the tracking activity is blocked by apps you denied access to. So you basically just toggle off the button or toggle it on, and or you can just turn off everything. So yeah, that's basically that. Also, if the best option is to actually just update your phone, so you just go to general software update and you just update your phone, and that would work definitely. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.